Live on Revolutionary Camp. We're here at the Youth Institute of Science and Technology, and we're doing a tour of one of the classrooms.
And this class 3.
And this is our wonderful teacher. And what grade is this?
Grade 3.
Grade 3. And the children are how old? Hello. How old are the children?
The youngest is 6, and the oldest is 10.
Oh, 6. So family, we're just giving you a live shot in one of the classrooms with the students, the bench, the books, the chalkboard, and that's another classroom right there. Oh, divided into 2. All right. And I see some mathematics on the board. Is that what they're learning in this classroom? Mathematics?
Yes.
And what are some of the other subjects they're learning?
They're learning ICT, creative arts, R&D, English, natural science.
Excellent, excellent. Well, thank you. I'm gonna step out that way they can continue their education.
You're welcome to class session.
All right, and we're gonna take another tour to one of the classrooms. Hello, everyone. So we have the teacher over there. Hello. What grade is this? KG1. All right, Miss, and is this your classroom?
Yes.
And what grade is this?
Nursery.
And what?
Nursery class. The lowest.
All right, and what subject are they learning?
Alphabet, mathematics, English.
Excellent, excellent. So, and how good are they doing?
Yeah, they are doing well.
They're doing well. Excellent, excellent. Well, thank you for your energy. I just want to get a few shots inside the classroom so some of our people can see the classroom.
Okay.
Our family, we're going to give you a walk through this one more classroom. Hello, Miss, how are you doing? Are you the teacher of this classroom?
Yes.
Right, and what grade is this?
What?
What grade?
Grade KG2.
KG2. And what are the ages of the students?
5 years.
5 years old.
Yes.
And what are the main subjects they're learning today?
Language literacy, environmental studies, math.
Excellent, excellent. And is school almost over for the day?
Yes.
All right, definitely. Well, thank you very much. We just want to show some of our family and friends and supporters a walkthrough of how our classrooms look at the Youth Institute of Science and Technology.